So I want to go on to share my personal story on trading prop firms and to share my own version of the reality of what trading is all about. Okay. Alright guys, so I feel like I'm gonna be shooting myself in the leg in this video, and I really want to share with you all what my progress is with trading prop firms, the state of my prop accounts. So I currently have 3 prop firms accounts. I have the $100,000 account, I have a $15,000 account, and I have a $10,000 account. So in this video, we're going to be starting with the $15,000 account. So my name is Mira Forex, and I'm documenting my Forex trading journey here on YouTube. So if it's your first time, please do well to like and subscribe to this channel. For those of you, prop firms are proprietary firms, okay, whereby you need not trade with your little dollars like $10, $50, and be at the risk of always trading emotionally, not being able to even lose $20 in the accounts, not even giving your trade enough room and enough capital to actually let it play out. Okay, so these firms are always there to give you like a more leverage for you to be able to trade free, but they have challenge phases or the instant phases. So first of all, the first prop account we're going to be going through to check out, don't judge me. So I'm going to be screen recording everything I'm going to be saying on this account with you all. So this is actually my gold funded account, my $15,000 account. So I'm still in phase 1. Okay, and to mind you all, like I've never blown an account, and I've currently been trading my FTMO account for like 1 year now. Okay, like if you want to cut it and be like full honesty, I think the only account I've actually blown was a costumate $5,000 account, but not like let me just say I started trading today. I just got a knowledge of trading today, and the next day I bought an account. I didn't even know anything about the trading daily max drawdown, so it was not like all there. So I've not even started trading then. Okay, I've not even gone for my mentorship class. Okay, so it was all about knowing how to click MT5 buy and sell and all that. So yeah, to cut the whole story short, like I said, this is my $15,000 account. So gold funded traders, they are the prop firms I've been currently talking about, and for me this is my MT5. So yes, they have the license to it MT5. So this is something you also have to check out for when you want to get a prop account. You should check out for firms that have their license still with the MT5. Okay, so and this my account is a challenge phase account, so I'm still in the phase 1 of this account, guys. You can also go for the instant plans. They have instant plans whereby you need not go through the phase 1 and phase 2 of this account and just buy the account, trade, and every profit you make you will get paid. Okay, but this is more like I have to pass the phase 1, phase 2, and then after the verification I then have to trade, and then any profits I make I then get a profit split of 90-10. okay, and I also, like they said, you can actually make up your way to 100% profit split. Okay, and also they pay within 2 business days, and if they don't pay you within those 2 business days, you get a reward fee of $500. Okay, so let's just go through my my account states. So if this is not enough, guys, we can still go into the dashboard. They have an in-depth journaling platform for located in my stats. Then I can show you guys some of the trades and all that. So if you guys are not satisfied with this, okay, this account, I got this account, so I can't remember here, but I think 3 to 4 months ago. Yes, I think August. Yes, so the year is already coming to an end, and I think it's something I just want to share. Okay, I'm just more excited to do this with you guys. So this is a $15,000 account, and at first I'm always someone who risk with percentage. Okay, percentage is whereby since I have a $15,000 account, I risk 0.50 of my account. Okay, that's where I'm going to still talk about risk management and the importance of risk management. Okay, and why I have not been able to blow any account since I got the full knowledge of trading. Risk management has been saving my ass, to be honest with you guys. So I risk with percentage. Okay, you have different types of risk, okay, parameters. You can use risk value, you can use quantity, you can use money value. Okay, first of all, I start with the percentage, whereby since the $15,000 account, I'm looking to risk $75. Okay, that's what it means. That's 0.50 of this account. So if I'm risking 0.50 of this account, and I go for just 2:1 risk to reward, I'm looking to get $150 as my reward. Okay, so firstly, you can see our first trade here is USD CHF. Okay, and later on I took a loss I think that was why I was trying the account. Then I took a loss of $63. So remember, like I said, my risk should be around my loss should be around $73 to $75, nothing less or nothing more than that. So, and then the next trade I took these two trades are together. That's zero. The Nasdaq means 0.16 and $45. So that's a total of $151 approximately to the risk to reward. Okay, it's still like trying to make $150 to lose $75. Okay, going furthermore, I took another loss on $43 and $39. So this was supposed to be around the $75, but as you can see, it's more. Okay, 30, 40, that's 70. Then 9 and 3, that's almost like $84. That's what I lost on this particular trade. But remember, this is why you have to be able to maintain a specific risk. Okay, do not try to put your stop loss in places that you feel like you are able to take up the loss, but rather I think you should be placing your stop loss in a logical place. I think that's something I've been struggling mostly about in my trading. Okay, so it's more like paying attention to logical places where I should put my stop loss and that. So if you should go further, and the next thing I made $36, and I'm sure with full honesty this is where I started cutting my wins short, because I'm scared. So like somebody who is working a 9-to-5 job, who doesn't even see $50 till the end of the month, is seeing $100 like on the run, and you're not able to close it. So it's crazy, yeah. So there are sometimes you feel that kind of way, and you just want to take whatever the market gives you. And if you go further, you can see I started risking not disciplinedly. Okay, $9, $30, $68. I was still maintaining risk, and I was cutting my losses short. But that's one where I lost $99. That's too much. And then later on, I took this trade in card whereby I made $219, and later on I lost $88. Like I think I have these issues with maintaining that $75 ish. Okay, so if you should go further, you see that like cutting the losses short, no like specific way to actually follow the rules of the risk to reward. So that's why you're at the mercy of your plan. You have to really follow your plan to see if your plan says 0.50, risk 0.50. I think one of the issue I have mostly is always trying to put my stop loss in the place I feel like, and not in the logical place. I have had so many times that the trade is a win, but to me the trade is a loss because of my poor trade management. If we should go further, I had a win of $151. I have a win of $139. But as you can see, the losses are just small, but they are mini. Okay, here I lost $105. Here I lost 90. So sorry guys, there was a little bit glitch on the video production, but to go further, and yes, something came to my mind before I should continue. A lot of you all have always been asking me good funded traders what's their verification. The honest truth is I've not gotten to pay out, which you guys know, but I have some people who I look up to, and I also watch their journey. They also trade with the good funded traders, and I think one of the things that is accepted worldwide is your international passport. But the only thing I'm aware about is their payout method, like what they use for payouts. Okay, you can use crypto, you can use skills, you can use coin. Okay, so, and again, yes, I forgot to actually tell you guys, if you guys feel like I'm only talking about forex trading, as you guys see in my account, there are sometimes I took trades like S&P 500, I took trades in Nasdaq. So yes, they also have rooms for you to trade futures in your MT5. Okay, like I was saying, you can just go to their website to check out their good funded futures at goodfundedfutures.com and check out, then maybe check out the accounts they have. I'm sure they will have like instant plans. They also have some challenge accounts. So to go further with what we're actually saying, as you can see here, afterwards I also took a win of $307, and then took a loss of $107. Like as you all can see here, my wins like should I say are big, but my losses are always small and plenty. Okay, yeah, and I'm not consistent with the loss, but some way I'm still consistent with the wins. And currently here, this account is seated in $10,393. And one thing I'm very sure about, and I have full belief in myself, that I'm not going to blow the account. There's this thing I also want to share with you guys on how I deal with risk and how I deal with being on drawdown. Okay, this is my journey. This is my raw reality of what it's like trading a prop firm account. Like I said, I've had an account that I've been trading for over 1 year now. Okay, and the thing I want to share with you guys is being able to know when to cut your risk down. Okay, like right now, as you can see on this account, it's seated in this. Okay, what am I currently doing? I'm no longer risking percentage value, I'm now risking money value. Okay, you have to have knowledge of all this as well as a trader. Now I'm trying to risk $50 to make what? $100, and it gives me more room and more opportunities to try out the market and keep on improving as a trader. Okay, so far I can still go on to share you guys my stats and share it with you all, the reality of what it's really like.
You can just type in goodfundedtraders.com. So let's visit my website and my dashboard. So you can see, back then it was $10 million, but now it's $12 million. You can just check them out and check out the accounts you want, and also all the other platforms you could use to trade. Yeah. Then go to my dashboard at the left hand side, go to my stats, and then as you can see, my win rates, trade win rates 38, total PML $636. And that's some of my stats. And if you check how many trades I've taken, see 44 losing trades and 28 win trades. Average winning trades $7. I'm not looking so good, but hopefully we'll get this back up. As you can see my code. Oh my god. It was 16th of October, I don't know. Hey guys, as you can see that I have more detailed in-depth journaling here in the dashboard. I'll just as well go for them. As you can see my visual is still locked, okay? I'm still in the challenge phase.
And there's something else I want to share with you all. Like, so far in my journey, I've been someone who's been dealing with doubts, fear, and limitations. And while I spoke with my friend, he was like, perhaps it's just a way, a feeling of not being enough in life. Okay, it's something I've been putting into prayers because I'm spiritual. Okay, and it's something I've been working on, because so far I've been seeing a lot of trades and I don't take them. And something else I want to talk about the Unfiltered traders, about my own experience. Like I said, it's a series of going through all my accounts. Okay, we're at the end of the year. We had so much plans on what we want to achieve, how we want to become funded, and the things we want to do. Okay, and the process we want to go with doing them. Okay, so like it's just basically me sharing my ups and downs on trading and showing you all that it might take you years, it might take you months, but it's possible. And one thing I've never had doubts, not for one, is that I'm going to make it in trading. It might take me some time. I'm someone who is able to call out win trades. I'm someone who is able to take win trades. But the only thing is that it's that consistency of not using those bad trades to ruin those wins I've been making. Okay, so like I was saying, I wanted to share with you all my experience with also the growth from this particular profile. I've had so many times whereby if I want to take a trade, I get tagged in on this profile, that's the spread is good, and I don't get tagged in on the other profiles. And there are sometimes when the trade will still be valid, like maybe new open of the day, I can get wicked out or I can get stopped out in the other preference, but in GoFunded I'm still on the trade. So it's something like I like so much about them. So maybe how you can navigate if you want to get an account with GoFunded traders, to check them out. Okay, like I said, there are people I look up to that is using them. Some of them have even gotten a payout from them. Okay, but hopefully I'm still going to be sharing my journey with you guys with GoFunded traders. So eventually when I get to payouts, I'll show you guys what I'm going to use to verify, and I'm going to show you guys the method I'm going to use to get my payout. Okay, so hopefully I hope this video was insightful and you got lots of knowledge from it. So one thing I want to tell you is that you have to become a good risk manager. Right, you have to really dive down into your risk, because while you're still trying to grow, while you're trying to know how to become consistently profitable, you need to remain in the game. Okay, remaining in the game is the most important stuff, because if you're in the game, at the end of the day, the odds will always fall into your favor. Right, so yeah, you guys should not judge me. This is just me showing you guys the reality of what my account is currently sitting on, so you guys don't see like trading is all bed of roses, that people are showing you wins. Yes, I take losses and I'm still trying to find my way, navigate around, but it's a very, very fun, exciting journey for me, because here in trading I'm getting to experience a more better version of myself, whereby I'm I'm productive, I'm creative, and should I say I'm tapping into a lot of opportunities that is out there. So one thing I want to also encourage you out there, if you're starting in your trading journey, make sure you focus on acquiring the skill set, that's learning basic things about trading, and then focusing on having a particular strategy, then scrapping out a trading plan, then having risk parameters that will enable you to remain in the game for a long run. Okay, like I said, if you also want to get an account with Go From The Traders, you can check the description below to get signed up. Okay, if you don't have money to purchase, they also have these competitions going on whereby you can participate in the competition to win an account with them. And also they have some things they do, some tasks then in the reward system, but you can only use the rewards you get in the ecosystem. Okay, whereby you can use the reward to purchase an account and stuff. Like I said, they have free competitions you can also check out. Thank you guys so much for sticking to this extent of the video, and hope to see you guys in the next series.